Hi guys, good morning. This is Yosha Prakash. Hope you are doing good. And today I am going to discuss about an interesting topic: how to get weight fast with healthy food. This is the topic. The people, those who want to increase your weight, you have to follow some diet to improve your weight. How the peoples want to reduce their weight, they are taking diet. The same thing, those who are interested to improve your weight also have to changes in your food habit. What are the foods which is helpful to improve our weight gain? So now I am going to explain about the foods which is good for our health to improve our weight gain. The first one is chicken. Chicken have a rich in protein. So if you taking the chicken, it will help to improve your weight. But it should be grilled, not fry, or it should be a gravy. Don't take chicken fry like that. Try to take a varieties of tandoori chicken, the flesh. It will help to improve your weight and it helps to grow your muscles too. And the second one is milk. Milk is high in protein and it also helps to improve your bone strength. And third one is soya beans. The soya beans, chenna, whatever it is, black chenna, white chenna, these varieties of items also will help to improve our weight gain. And fourth one is fatty fishes. There is lot of fatty fishes available in our market. Just go through it and find it out the good fatty fish and take it weekly 2 or 3 times. It will also improve your weight gain. And next one is egg. Egg nowadays there is a small rumor is going on. The egg yolk have a cholesterol, it's giving heart attack, like that someone is creating the story. But real fact is egg have a good cholesterol. If you have a diabetics or if you have a high blood pressure, it's not a problem. But one thing, if you have a diabetics or blood pressure, if you take egg, you have to go for walking or do some body exercise. That is important. But if you don't have any complaints in your body regarding diabetics or whatever it is, you don't worry about the egg yolk. Egg yolk have a good cholesterol and it have a good protein also. So please don't skip the egg yolk when you taking the egg. And one more thing, if you want to use the egg to make your weight gain, please try to make it boiled egg. Don't make it as a omelette or scrambled egg. Don't do this. Just make a one omelette, one boiled egg and take it at every day in your breakfast or lunch. It's up to you. So if you boil the egg and you are taking, it is helpful to improve your weight gain. And finally, all kinds of nuts, especially cashew nut, almond, will help to improve your weight gain. And along with this almond and cashew nut, if you take a dates, it is more effective to improve your weight gain as soon as possible. So these kind of foods you can add in your diet will helps to improve your weight gain in the healthy way. So please try to follow this and please tell me your valuable suggestion in the comment. I'm eagerly waiting. Thank you so much. Have a good day.